Welcome to Malle Mile, the most inappropriate motorcycle festival and race in the UK. It's a celebration of motorcycle culture, but the good bits. 3 bikes welded into one, custom culture, community, races with no winners and adventure. Malle hosts the Margate Beach Race, rallies across the world, and a yearly festival which is hosted at Grimsthorpe Castle. Here's how my first off-road and Malle experience went. I was actually very annoyed at myself for only just discovering the Malle. This was back in the day where I filmed everything in portrait, but I found this footage lurking in a hard drive. If you like motorcycles, you've got to go. I'll be there this weekend, so say hi if you see me. Enjoy. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. Although I am sponsored by Quadlock. Quadlock have a phone mount system with a phone case and a mount that sits on your handlebars and it clicks into place to mount your phone. I use it for sat nav to help me get where I need to go. I used it way before I started making videos, so it's crazy that they're now sponsoring me. There are lots of different mounts for cars, bicycles and motorbikes. If you don't want to take my word for it, here's a bunch of strangers that I found in the world using it as well. What's that mount thing called? Quadlock. What's that?
Oh, it's a Quadlock, it's for the phone.
What's this? Okay. What's it called?
Quadlock.
Thank you very much. What's that?
Quadlock.
Yeah, what's this?
Quadlock, eh?
Do you want one or two?
You got 2? What's that called? That thing on your phone?
It's a Quadlock.
Is it good?
Very good, yeah.
Okay. The link is in the description. Use code Harvey for 10% off. Love you, bye. Let's get off-roading at the Malle. This is beautiful, man. Nice people, bikes, going off-road. Let's go on a scramble. Look at this guy with a shirt, bro. Woo! I have 0 experience off-road. Look at all this dust. Oh, he's flying. Look at all this dust, mate. Get dealt with. My traction control is freaking out.
Oh my gosh. No.
Everything's freaking out, including me. I'm freaking out as well. Give me some tarmac. Is this tarmac? Yes. Wow. I've caught up with the group. Let's go. Scramble of London, here we go. London Bonnie. This is nuts.
Begin to pass on, and my head hit the wall. Boom.
Did you see that? Oh my god! Oh my god! I almost binned it! Oh my god, I almost binned the Bonnie. Oh my god, the back flicked right out. It turns out wet grass is slippery, who knew? This is beautiful, man. Nice people, bikes, going off-road. Ooh, that exhaust sound is so nice. Why am I indicating like I'm on a road? I'm gonna overtake that toddler. He's mine. Oh my god, look at his backpack. Hey dude! You alright? Yeah. Yeah, all good? Oh my god, don't go into the back of that guy. Oh my god. Someone's mudguard or a bit of bike. Right, from grass to dirt, now we're back on dirt. A little bit more grippy than wet grass. Right, speed, let's get some speed going. Oh my god, there's a load of mud flicked on me. I'm gonna have him. Woo! Smoked. I'm getting mud flicked on me though. Scramble of London returns the favour. Off-road king! The overtake! Whizzing past. And another one. Look at the off-road techers. What a bike. Pace! Look at this guy. Oh, on-road, off-road. Harvey's in position 300. He's going to take the inside line here, trying to get in a few places. Has he chosen the correct line? I don't know. He's been held up by traffic. Those three have gone away now. Harvey's going to go on the outside. He's going to take on this guy. Absolutely dealt with. Get wrecked as he passes the lake. He's indicating. Ow, and he hits the mud. Oh my god! Ah! Whoa! Oh my god. Never gone off-road before. It's my first day going off-road. And I'm doing it all. I'm doing mud, grass, gravel. These guys are wheeling. I'm gonna absolutely deal with this toddler. Look, watch this. I'm gonna absolutely smoke him. I'm gonna absolutely smoke him. Look, oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. Aww. It doesn't matter because I'm gonna absolutely get wrecked, get dealt with. No mercy. It's a bit of bike. There goes Scamper London. Oh my god, he's got the techers. Look at the foot out. Oh, oh. Whoa! And the finish line. Back to the Malle. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! That was awesome. I barely made it round and this little toddler smashed it. Look at it. What an absolute beast. Oh my god. It's so cute as well. All my stuff's getting wet. All my stuff's getting wet. All my stuff's getting wet. Oh no. Oh shit. Danners, can I check this in your van quick? All my stuff's getting wet, mate.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Why is it getting wet?
Because I haven't got a tent right now. Oh, shit. No, no, no. Oh no, my power banks, everything. My bananas are wet. My sleeping bag is soaked.
Someone jazz it up.
Thanks. I tried to find you halfway through the thing, but
yeah, I died on the line. Mate, you've just missed it. It looks like I've not done anything. I've had the whole clutch out of this. Oh, mate,
did you smash it?
No, my clutch hit itself on the line. Did you not see me put it into gear and it just went?
It's a cool bike. Hello mate, I'm Harvey.
Harvey, nice to meet you, Brian.
Right Brian, nice jaw mate.
Nice what?
You've got a strong jaw.
Oh, thanks mate. I got it and my mum gave me it.
Oh yeah.
If it's wet like this, you're better off in the mud than on the grass. The grass is so much worse. Wet grass is, you're a goner, mate.
I almost binned it! Binned the Bonnie. It turns out wet grass is slippery, who knew?